solve the love of freedom fast, hark every hark to war inspires on a cadder side. See the brave advancing, see the brave advancing, each well-tried spear which Saxons fear, in warlike splendor glancing. Proud Hala from her frowning towers pours forth her never-failing pause. Rome's heroes' glory shall be ours, march on your country's pride. Shall heart-rending sounds of woe be heard where Conway's waters flow? Or shall a rude and ruthless foe find here one willing slave? From mountain and from valley, from mountain and from valley, from Snowdon, from Plinlimmon's brow, around your prince ye rally. Let cowards kiss the oppression scourge, home to his heart your weapons surge, overwhelm him in the avenging surge, to victory ye brave.